Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this fuel injection pump for Navara 3.0 engine 0470504038-109-342-4050, then please visit the link provided in the description. Engines are all about balance and precision, and one of the most important parts responsible for that balance in a diesel vehicle is the fuel injection pump. It doesn't look like much compared to other visible car components, but without it, a diesel engine won't function the way it should. This specific fuel injection pump, designed for the Navara 3.0 with part numbers 0470504038 and 1,093,424,050, is a direct fit replacement that can make a huge difference in performance, reliability, and efficiency. The primary role of a fuel injection pump is to take diesel fuel, compress it at high pressure, and send it to the injectors at precisely the right moment in the combustion cycle. For a diesel engine like the Navara 3.0, that precision is everything. If timing or pressure is even slightly off, you'll experience issues such as loss of power, poor fuel economy, black smoke, or hard starting. This is why replacing a failing pump with the correct one is so important. It restores the engine's balance. One of the immediate benefits of swapping to a fresh pump like this is smoother startups. If you've had to crank your engine several times before it finally catches, or if cold starts have become a daily struggle, that usually points to an injection pump that isn't doing its job anymore. With a new pump in place, the system primes and delivers fuel correctly, making starts almost instant. Beyond startups, power delivery is another area where the difference shows. The Navara 3.0 is designed to provide steady torque and reliable acceleration, but if the fuel injection pump is weak, you'll feel hesitation or irregular surges when you press the pedal. Once replaced with this pump, throttle response becomes consistent again, and that familiar strength returns, whether you're on a highway, towing, or off-road. Fuel efficiency is another major factor. Diesel drivers often choose their vehicles because of the long-lasting economy. A worn-out pump throws that advantage out the window by wasting fuel or delivering inconsistent amounts. Installing the proper pump fixes that problem and helps you get back the miles per gallon you expect from your Navara. And with the price of fuel being what it is, that alone is a major reason to upgrade. Emissions also improve with a pump like this. Old, worn pumps often cause incomplete combustion, which creates thick smoke and increases harmful emissions. With a precise replacement that matches the OEM specifications, the combustion process becomes cleaner. That means less smoke behind you, less pollution, and an easier time passing emissions checks if those are required in your area. Durability is something many people don't think about until it's too late. A fuel injection pump has to withstand incredible pressure thousands of times per minute while maintaining pinpoint accuracy. Pumps that aren't built to exact standards tend to fail prematurely. This replacement pump, designed with part numbers 0470504038 and 1,093,424,050, is manufactured to meet the durability requirements of the Navara 3.0, giving you confidence that it will last for the long haul. Installation does require some mechanical expertise. Unlike filters or belts, replacing an injection pump involves tools, timing, and in some cases reprogramming the ECU so it syncs correctly. For most people, having a trained technician handle the job is the safest route. But the good news is that when you get the right part, the exact match for your engine, the installation goes smoothly, without the need for modifications or workarounds. Think of the value long term. Sure, the price of a new injection pump can feel high at first. But ignoring pump issues can lead to bigger failures down the line, such as damaged injectors, burned pistons, or even turbocharger damage due to unburned fuel. Repairing those problems costs far more than just swapping the pump early. In other words, spending now prevents spending much more later. For owners of older Navara models with higher mileage, this pump can feel like a reset button. Engines that have lost their responsiveness or feel tired can regain a lot of their original punch just by replacing this single component. Many drivers report smoother driving, stronger towing capability, and better overall reliability after installing a proper injection pump. When comparing parts, it's also worth pointing out why OEM-matched pumps are so important. Some aftermarket pumps claim universal compatibility, but their tolerances aren't always precise enough for long-term use. With something as critical as fuel delivery, small differences add up quickly. The pump we're discussing here, carrying part numbers 0470504038 and 1,093